job. This is maybe it.
Check, 1, 2. JavaScript brothers and sisters, can you hear me out there?
I'm going to introduce Rico. Rico Santa Cruz, he's your host. He's the local, maybe the most well-known Filipino JavaScript developer over here. Good to see you.
All right, cool. So, this guy says that apparently you could do Node.js server-side scripting in Photoshop.
Yeah, my name is Andy Hall. I came from Adobe Japan.
Funny.
The file now has a new menu option called Awesome Mode, because it's awesome. That's why it's called Awesome Mode.
So this, without further ado, is Alex Macau.
I'm Alex McCaw, and actually we're already off to a good start because in my last presentation at JSConf, I actually spelled my name wrong.
Now, pay attention, because this is what we're about to see is, I think, basically the future of Photoshop, right? OK, Photoshop, new layer. See, you do a demo and it doesn't work. What happened? All right.
I'm pleased to see that as soon as anyone puts up a chat at a conference, people try and hack it with cross-site scripting. It's a good sign for a tech conference.
Ah, it's going nuts. OK, Photoshop. OK, Photoshop. What is this doing?
I would just like to introduce to you our next speaker, Michal Budzinski.
And I work also on this project called Antarctic.js, and maybe it's hard to get this from the name, but that's the JavaScript conference in Antarctica.
What is this doing? OK, Photoshop. This is crazy. Hold on. OK, Photoshop. I've never had it not work this well. Hold on.
Okay, I didn't prepare the presentation, actually. I made a game because it's more fun to talk about games while you play a game, right?
And now he's going to be talking about testing CSS. Do you guys have any problems with that?
One more thing. Even if I'm a game developer, I'm not a really good player. So I suck at gaming, and playing and talking in the same time, it's impossible for me. So I will probably... Yeah. I improved the respawn algorithm recently, so it should work better. Okay.
It's a pretty strange world, and I don't think there's lots of solutions out there for that.
Yeah, as you said, it's a strange world, and I'm a strange guy, so...
OK, Photoshop. Why is this not working? OK, Photoshop. This is really strange.
Yeah. Wait. Okay.
OK, Photoshop. I do not know why this would happen. One moment. OK, Photoshop. OK, Photoshop. This is a nightmare.
I guess you're all wondering, why is he wearing a bow tie? And I heard it's actually Thanksgiving today, so maybe that's the reason. Or maybe I'm just very happy to be here. Well, I'm simply a strange guy, so maybe that's it.
OK, Photoshop. OK, Photoshop. Thank you. New layer. What is it doing? Yay! All right.
Okay, sorry, because I have no idea where my next slide is. Okay, upper platform.
And I'm from Sweden. So I guess all of you kind of have an idea of Sweden, and I bet it's a lot like this.
OK Photoshop. Why would that not work? This is really crazy. All right. So let's pretend that demo worked, because it's clearly doing something here.
But it's not like that. It's worse. It's more like this.
Oh, no. Actually, no.
So when he was developing his nuclear weapons, Feynman would put runs through this of about 1 million punch cards in one session. This is Max MSP. It's a modern...
We started doing quite a lot of our extensibility stuff in HTML5. And for example, like in Photoshop, you have...
Yes. Enhancing.
Yeah.
Enhancing. Enhancing.
We actually pioneered a specific genre of music called melodic death metal.
Enhancing. Enhancing. Enhancing.
Should I turn this off?
Enhancing.
Okay.
So, which one is the next? Oh,
Yeah. All right, okay. So,
what exactly? Like, okay, give me a second. If I want to create a game for the conference next time, please punch me in the face.
right. Now, you run your cameras, right? You're in Hollywood. And the enhance feature is just hooked into the undo function. And earlier I blurred it 3 times. So now I say, OK, Photoshop. Come on. OK, Photoshop. Die Photoshop. Oh.
We have Brian Chills.
It's great to be here. Thank you for having me in Manila. Thanks, Thomas and Rico, for organizing this. My name's Brian.
If anyone actually knew what song that was or what band, please tweet it to me and I will be very warm and fuzzy inside.
This is one of my favorites. And we do a little channel change. Hang on. There you go. So hop the TV glitch effect. This is my favorite. TV glitch, I think, is going to be the page curl of the 21st century, right? So guys, I want you all to go out there and throw TV glitch effect at everything. And it's great because we don't really have TVs like this anymore. And I love how in movies they always have analog, TV glitch on digital signals. So go do lots of that. That's good. Explore it. Play with it.
OK, Photoshop. Why? Come on, one last time. Work. OK, Photoshop. OK, Photoshop. OK, Photoshop. OK, Photoshop.
We're really honored to have him here, ladies and gentlemen. Charlie Crane.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
OK, Photoshop. OK, Photoshop. Oh, God.
I come from Hangzhou. Hangzhou? Oh, never heard of it. Here have statistics about toxicities for NPM modules. And which is number 6? Hangzhou, China. Okay. Okay.
So I built this little demo where you have to keep moving the mouse, and the more you move the mouse, the more it changes the color. But if you stop moving the mouse, you don't touch it, it kind of fades out to gray.
I stole one of the open source games, example of the Impact JS engine.
This actually has never failed in the office. It must be the mics. Anyway, you say OK Photoshop, then you say enhance, 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 enhance. Wow. Okay, that is the applause of pity, but I will take it.
I only needed to push a message to me or no message at all. So, one message in, one message out. if there are 2 players in the area, how many messages I need to notify myself and notify to another player? So 2 messages in, 4 messages out. That is okay.
And the character is always running, and it jumps when you scream. So, shh. Let's try.
Oh yeah, all right. So I'm showing off the blur. This is something I'm going to try. This is not going to work. So I have a blur plugin, which I just got working.
There are about 1,000 players in one area. How many messages? 1 million. Holy shit. No process can hold this online users.
Try this. This is not going to work. Hang on. But let's see. Enhance. 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 Okay. So So this is it. So you notice the blur animates, which is really cool, and we use the scaling transform node. I want to apologize to Andy. So Andy, you guys are all here, but for the video, I couldn't get this to work yesterday. The trick, Andy, is to get it to respond to any words you say. So try that next time.
Boo! Okay, enough. You get the idea.
Oh, it's creepy. It's haunted, right? So if you smack it, like an old TV, it responds.
I just want to reflect a little bit. This was like the first JSConf in Asia, and the second JS conference after JS Camp last year.
Yeah, so we got like a little subtle head movement from Emma there. How creepy is that?
Let me look this up actually. I'd pre-ordered 450 plus what he is saying, plus 280 more. That's a lot of coffee.
I was thinking that if I didn't have time, but I wanted to wire this up to the web audio API with a beat detector and have her doing like, a little one of these. So next year.
And in my head, that's 650, 530. Yeah, math on stage is pretty hard. 530 coffees that went through. That's it.